Hi everyone, this video is going to be the tutorial of RS Open Journal and how anyone can submit an article on this journal. So let's get into it. RS Open Journal on Innovative Communication Technologies, short for RSOGICT. RSOGICT is a technically focused and hybrid open access journal with super easy submission process, modern peer system, collaborative built-in text editor, seamless communication between authors and reviewers, and fast dissemination, which takes up to 2 or 3 weeks process. Okay, now we move towards the actual steps researchers will take to submit their articles on RSOGICT. Going to the article submission page of the RSOGICT website, there you have to log in using the PubPub account. You can create the PubPub account easily. After logging in, you will see the article submission page with article submission requirements on it. After reading the requirements, let's go to the begin submission stage. Here we have different sections which include information related to your article. Starting with the article title, here you will write the full title of your article, then the short description which acts like a subheader and will directly appear below the title of your submitted article. After this, there is the abstract section. Here you will write the full abstract of your article, and you can also upload a PDF file that can be associated with the submission. Or the most exciting and powerful feature of the RSOGICT is its editor, which takes many different types of files and converts them into editable HTML files. By far, this is the most crucial and appreciable tool any researcher will know and get their hands on. For our case, I will use a text file to show how this editor works. Going to the import files and uploading the text file by clicking on import. This will import the document and click on the complete import button. After this, the text file has been converted into an editable HTML file as shown. The best feature that this editor has to offer is the simultaneous work on both the submitted article and getting replies from the reviewers all at the same time, and after that replying them to the reviewers as well. Now the next step is to follow up with the names of the contributors. If they have no PubPub accounts created beforehand, we can actually add the names of the contributors directly from the editor. To add a new person, go to the Add New Person section and type the name New Person as shown and click on it to add it. The name is shown below as a contributor. Other contributors can be removed as well as by clicking on the cross button. This removes the selected contributor. Different roles can be added as well with affiliations and the ORCID ID. After doing this, we can preview the whole file by clicking on the preview. This shows the whole document as one we wanted, where we have the article title, contributor names, the abstract, and the rest of the article. On the right hand side, we can see different options such as edit theme, pub settings, etc. By going to the edit theme, we can change the background and the colors and the text style of the submitted article as shown. For more settings related to the submitted article, go to the pub settings. Here we can see the article title, link, and publication date. We can change them as well. Also, we can add preview image, background image, change the color and the text style, and also change the citation style, which is quite good option available. At the end, there is a pub deletion option available. If there is a previous pub that do not want, then just copy the name of that pub and open that pub, go to settings and paste the pub name there as shown and just click on delete pub. This will remove that pub instantly. By any chance, when working, there is any disturbance or the browser closes automatically or shuts down, no need to panic. All the work you have done till now is automatically saved. All you need to do is just go to your profile page of pub account, scroll down and you will see the pub that has been saved, and you can just click on it and get back to where you left. Going back to the preview section, you can share this pub with anyone or your colleagues by adding them and sharing a URL with them. It depends. If the person only just wants to view the draft or wants to edit it, then you can share the appropriate URL with them. By doing all this, you can submit the article. In this way, you can submit an article to the RSOG ICT journal. And thank you.